Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, some of you know that I was sick for the entire month of March. I did get several or a couple of swaps while I was sick, and I just have not unboxed anything. So I said, let me go ahead. I'm feeling better. Let me go ahead and start to open these packages. So this one was a swap in a Facebook group for Decorate Your Life, and my partner was Rosa Gomez, and she sent me her swap, and I just had not had a chance to open it. I did see where she did a pack with me video, and I am so excited, guys. So I saw a little bit of what's in here, but so I'm just excited to see the entire thing. So I wanted to show you the box because she decorated the inside of the box so pretty. And look at that. She lined the box with paper. And then she put this sheet on here so that if I cut it open with a cutter, I wouldn't cut the contents. So let me see. Here is this side. Here's that side. Here is this side. And here is the bottom flap. Okay. So I'm going to open it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take everything out or I am going to what I'm going to do. So let me lift this, and she was so sweet. She included this so that I could use it. So I'm going to put it over here with my other papers and whatnot so that I remember to use it. Okay. So this was a Valentine's Day swap, and this is so pretty. I don't even want to take anything out, but I'm going to. So she did put this little love veneer piece on the top. So pretty. And then she put crinkle paper. She put some of the heart styrofoam on there, or the peanuts. She added some of the glitter balls. I know she added some of her sequin mix, but of course, yes, it's probably at the bottom. So I'm going to go through this and see what is in here. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this out so we can see what is in here. And I'm going to let some of it fall to the bottom as well. So she included a pen, and here is a heart pen that is so pretty. It's a heart covered in the round sequin, and look, here's a little filler ball piece, and then it's got the little feather boa around it, and that is included in there. And she made me a card. How pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I think it's a card. Yeah, it's a card. And there we go. We've got some of the little filler pieces in there. How pretty is this, guys? Oh my gosh, it's a slimline card. It's got a little piece on the back. I think it says home, maybe, but it says love. And she has layered strawberry kisses. Oh yeah, she did. She says she used the strawberry kisses for this swap. I don't know if she used all strawberry kisses, but she did mention the strawberry kisses. Isn't that girl just adorable? She is so cute. Beautiful bow on the top. She's layered the top two times, and then she put her little house on there. Some flowers at the bottom. Look at this tiny little ticket. How cute is that? Oh, that is so pretty. And then on the inside is the little girl again. That is so pretty. Love that card. Can't wait to use it. If I use it, I may hoard this for a little bit. And then she included the mailbox. This one is from Pixie Dust Designs. And There we go. How cute. I don't remember if I purchased this one or not. But it's got your layering pieces, your stitched layering pieces. She put some more ephemera on the front. Beautiful butterfly. Another flower. And then another layer on the side. Now I don't know if this one opens. It does open, but I didn't know if it opens from the top or it opens from. But I guess this is it right here. And then pull it open. Oh, she's got stuff in there. I don't know if it opens from another spot. No, I think this is it. So let's see what she included in here. I hope this is the way you're supposed to take it out. So she's got some Valentine Day crocheted hearts here. These are pink, white, and red. How pretty are these? Very pretty. Thank you, Rosa. I love those. And then she included, she included some bling pieces. Oh my gosh. Let me get these out of here. How pretty are the bling pieces, guys? Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. Oh, they're pretty. I love those. Thank you, ma'am. I really do. And then here is the here's the box, the mailbox. So pretty. I love that. That is so pretty. I'll have to see if I got me one or not. And then this one, I'm not sure if this one is another Pixie Dust Designs box or not. But she's layered all the sides. She put a little ephemera piece right here on the front. It says sweet. A couple of chipboard pieces. Very pretty. Beautiful bow. This opens up this way. And oh, I think she said this was gum. Yeah, it is. This is some gum. Watermelon. It's very, very pretty. The packaging is very pretty. Very, very nice. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. Thank you so much, Miss Rosa. And then remove some of this again, letting the smaller pieces fall as they may. And then look at this trim. Oh my gosh, she used a Daiso bag. And these bags have like that trim printed on the sides. I don't even want to open this. Oh, I think she said she used her fuse tool for this. So there's the little edge where she did use the fuse tool. And look how pretty this trim is. Look at this one. I don't want to open it, guys. I really don't. So there is the trim. How pretty. When I do use it, I will let you know that this trim, the trim that I'm using, is the trim that she included. But how pretty. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Rosa. And as a matter of fact, I want to say she said she was hoarding this one, so I feel lucky to have gotten some of it. And then she used a clear bag to package some of these fabric flowers. And this is so pretty. Look at that. All that little, you know, all the sequins mix. Oh yeah, I could definitely reuse the bag. So I think she says she gets this from downtown LA. And beautiful flowers in beautiful colors. I can open this up and I will take one of them out. I don't think they're all the same, but how pretty are these, guys? Beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. Thank you, Rosa, for sharing your stash with me. And one of these days, if I ever make it out to California, you know, I am going to definitely try to find downtown LA, because I know I've seen people haul stuff and they've got some really cool stuff out there. So I will try to find downtown LA and see if I can do some shopping like some of these other ladies. All right, guys, these are so pretty. Thank you, Rosa. They're beautiful. Love the colors. And then in this little bag, let's open it up and see what this is. Oh, these are little flowers. How cool are these? Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. These are little appliques. How pretty. Oh my gosh, and she put a lot of them in here, guys. Wow, these are pretty. I love those. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to use those. So that's what was in that bag. And then this bag on this side. Let's see if I can take. I want you guys to see the bottom too, because she lined all of it. And this hard bag right here. Oh, how cute. How cute is this little bag? So let's see what is in here. So she had this little bag just stuffed full of items. And oh, how cute. Look at that. She made a little box, and again, I'm not sure where the box is from, and she stuffed it with the Hershey's Kisses. How cool is that? I love that. Happy Valentine. And then it's got two layers on there. The bottom layer is darker than the top. It is a foam layer at the bottom. That just looks so cool. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I had not noticed that. Oh my gosh, Rosa, thank you so much. Oh, that is so cool. It has a gift card in there. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, thank you. I was totally not expecting that. I thought for a second there, I just thought this was just trim, you know, to make it look cuter. And when I looked at it a little bit closer, I said, this comes out. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rosa. Oh, what a surprise. I appreciate that. Thank you. And then also in that envelope was this cute little bag topper. Oh, that is so adorable. Here's the bag topper. It's got a heart paper clip. Oh, look at all those little envelopes. So adorable. I don't know if any of them open, so let's check it out. Oh, yes, it does. Look at that. Oh, how cool. It's got more paper clips in there. Oh, how cool is that? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, lady. You think about everything. Look at that. How cool. I really like that. Such a great idea. And then she put it up on some foam. Oh, that is so cool. So this paper clip is holding things together. How cute. Oh, I love that. Thank you. And here is a Memorydex card. I think this is one of the requirements. You know, guys, it's been so long that I honestly don't remember what was required. I believe a Memorydex card was. And here is, she's got a stack of envelopes. And she put a doily at the bottom. And she layered this a few times just to keep it nice and sturdy. Again, she used the paper collection. And she paper pieced this, guys. Look at that. It's all paper pieced. So cool. And then I don't know if any of the envelopes open. I'm afraid to check. I don't think so. I think it's just a stack of envelopes. So cool. I love that. So pretty. That looks really, really nice. Thank you, Ms. Rosa. And then in this envelope, she's got her embellishments. So she's got some cups in here. Oh, how pretty. They're shaker cups. How pretty. I just love the way she uses her colors. And this, how cool is that? Those are so pretty. I love this. And then she put a little XOXO hanging beads on the side. So yeah, I don't know what die set this is. So pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then in this one, she has got some flowers. Oh, how pretty. I don't know where this comes from. But they are, how pretty is that bag? Such a pretty bag. And then she's got some applique flowers. How pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. How pretty. Those are beautiful. You know I'm going to use them all. Oh, look at this one. So pretty. Oh, I like this one. That and the red. Oh, love the red. Look at these. These are so pretty. So pretty. Love that. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rosa. That's very generous of you. It really is. Okay, that's what was in that bag. And then here's another package, and it looks like it's got some trims in there. She used her fuse tool for this one as well. I don't know how she got that to fuse, but she did. I just don't want to open it, guys. I really don't. I don't want to cut it open. I'll show you when I use it. I will show you that. That's so pretty. I will show you the trim in its entirety. Maybe I can... Okay. I will just... When I open it, I will just have to show you what it looks like. That's so pretty. Love that. And then here are some more flowers. I like these flowers. These are so pretty. Yes, very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then in this last package, she has got some more trims. And how pretty are those trims, guys? And they're nice and wide. And oh, those are so pretty. I can open this one. Here is this one. Oh, how pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. She knows I love shabby chic. She knows I do. So she used shabby chic colors and elements, and then here's this one. This one's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Love that shade of pink. And then she included another off-white trim. That one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them all, Rosa. Thank you so much. You did not have to include so much, but you did, and I appreciate it. I really do. So that one goes in there like that. I'll close this back up. And when I use it, I will let you guys know where I got the trim. Alright guys, and here is the bottom of the box. She has decorated the bottom as well. She's got all that sequins and balls, and oh, how fun. How fun. I like this. Grass. How fun was this package, guys? Rosa, thank you so much for your generosity. You know, you went above and beyond. I appreciate it. And I'm going to do something with your box so that your work does not go wasted. I am going to do something with this box. I already know what I'm going to do, so I will show you what I do with Rosa's box that she sent me. And I know I cannot put everything back in here the way it was. I'm not going to close it up because I don't want to mess any of the stuff up. I just appreciate everything, Rosa. I really do. Thank you so much. And there you go, guys. My swap share with you. My beautiful swap share. She yeah, that was a lot. That was a lot, guys. All right, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.